Hello, interior design enthusiasts and homeowners. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of parquet flooring. Parquet is a timeless and elegant flooring choice that can transform your space. In this comprehensive video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about parquet flooring. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is parquet flooring? Parquet is a unique type of wood flooring characterized by its intricate geometric patterns. It's made up of small wood blocks or strips, carefully arranged to create stunning designs that add elegance and sophistication to any space. 2. Types of parquet flooring. There are two primary types, solid and engineered. Solid parquet, made from solid wood blocks, this type offers a classic and timeless look. It can be sanded and refinished multiple times, making it a durable choice. Engineered parquet. Engineered parquet consists of a real wood veneer layer on top of a plywood or composite core. It's more stable than solid parquet and is a great option for areas with fluctuating humidity levels. 3. Features and benefits. Aesthetic appeal. It's known for its unique and stunning patterns that can elevate the look of any room. Durability. With proper care, parquet flooring can last for generations. Versatility. It suits both traditional and modern interiors. Warmth. Parquet's wooden surface feels warm and comfortable underfoot. Easy maintenance. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping keep it looking great. 4. Installation tips. Subfloor preparation. Ensure the subfloor is clean, dry, and level. Pattern planning. Carefully plan the pattern layout to achieve the desired design. Adhesive application. Use the right adhesive for the installation method, glue down or floating. Professional installation. Consider hiring a professional installer for a flawless finish. 5. Maintenance and care. Regular cleaning, sweep or vacuum to remove dirt and debris. Mild cleaning solutions. Use a damp mop with a mild wood floor cleaner. Protect from scratches. Use rugs or furniture pads to prevent scratches. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to parquet flooring. Whether you're drawn to its timeless beauty or its durability, parquet flooring can be an excellent choice for your home. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the beauty of parquet flooring.